Hello and welcome to the Mick Massy Meditation and Relaxation Channel. Thank you for joining us. This is a beginner's guide to your meditation journey. I hope you find this resource useful. As always, we are so grateful to all our listeners for being here. Please like, subscribe, and comment. It will be greatly appreciated. So let's begin. When you have actually decided to invest your time and effort into discovering how to meditate, it is also crucial to select the when and how of meditation. Meditation has many benefits in the area of health, concentration, tension, anxiety, and pleasure. The very first and probably the most essential element of beginning meditation is devote time. When you mention meditation, let everybody understand that you are going to practice meditation as part of your regimen. Do not say that you are going to try meditation. That will just set you up for an easy escape from the beginning. Ensure that your words and actions are aligned with your commitment to meditate. It is really crucial to keep in mind that with any brand new undertaking, there will be questions and changes, and your mind will probably wish to talk you out of it too. If you persist and experiment, you will get to where you need to be with your meditation practice. Understand that meditation is not something that will occur overnight or something that will be automatic from the start. It takes time and practice. Make the effort to go through some books or get some audio-visual materials to accustom yourself to the art and practice of meditation. This way, you will understand what to expect. Be deliberate about your meditation. Meditation is a practice and discovered ability. It requires to be practiced in order for it to work. It does not simply occur to you. If you are trying to sneak in 10 minutes of meditation in your lunch hour, dressed in your work clothes, more than likely you will be hurried. Set aside some time where you can wear loose-fitting clothing and where you can focus. Start with the practice of launching stress in all your body parts. Concentrate on your feet first and release tension. Go up to your ankles and so on. Do this up until you have actually reached the top of your head. For some specialists, tightening and launching muscles as they go along make for a higher awareness of release. Start to concentrate on your breathing throughout the day. When you are hurried and rushed, do you see that your breath is shorter and more labored? If so, begin by focusing on each breath. Take deep breaths in through the nostrils and exhale through the mouth. You must also discover the fluctuate of your stomach as you concentrate on your breathing. Practice your breathing techniques together with the release of tension in your body. In the beginning, this will seem difficult. However, it will end up being easier as time goes on. Before you know it, you will become a pro. Just remain consistent and practice daily. Posture. Another important aspect of meditation is your posture. A pose that is too stiff or too loose will reduce the meditation experience. Sit with your spinal column upright but not too stiff. Sit on the floor on a comfortable blanket or mat. Ensure that your neck is straight and your shoulders are not slumped over, but remember to unwind your arms and legs. It might take some time to adjust your position, but with time, you will recognize what the best position is when you have actually explored it. Do not expect to be amazingly changed in the beginning. Meditation, much like anything else, takes time, persistence, and practice. Stick in there. You will go from novice to expert in no time. When you have actually decided to invest your time and effort into discovering how to meditate, it is also crucial to select the when and how of meditation. As stated before, meditation has many health benefits in the area of health, concentration, tension, anxiety, and pleasure. It helps in all of these areas. Make a commitment. The very first and probably the most essential element of beginning meditation is to devote the time. Choose a time each day that works best for you. Choose a time and day or night and make a commitment to stay with that time and date. Ensure that you pick a time that will always be convenient for you with no interruptions. If that implies locking yourself in your room for a period of time prior to bedtime, get a sign that states that meditation remains in practice and do not disturb. If you pick to practice meditation in the early morning, get up a few minutes early every day to start your meditation. When you first begin to practice meditation, keep your expectations in check. Begin gradually and increase the time slowly. In this manner, you will not start off on too high of a level with a lot of expectations, and then you will not be dissatisfied. Start with 15-minute intervals each early morning. Morning is best because the body has not totally awakened to the stresses of the day. Afterwards, when you begin to see the rewards of meditation, you will be able to increase and change your schedule appropriately. Do not expect to be amazingly changed in the beginning. As stated earlier, meditation, much like anything else, takes time, persistence, and practice, so please don't give up. Stick in there. You will go from novice to an expert in no time. I want to sincerely thank you all for listening to our videos. I hope you found this resource helpful. Please, if you're beginning your meditation journey or you have been on this journey already, use our videos to help you along the way. As stated earlier, we would love for you to like and subscribe our channel. Leave us a comment if there's certain things that you would like us to cover. And again, thank you and have a wonderful, wonderful day.